Beautiful Bangladesh, where mighty rivers carve emerald deltas beneath monsoon skies, where Cox's Bazar, the world's longest sea beach, kisses the Bay of Bengal, and the UNESCO-listed Sundarbans, mangrove kingdom of the Royal Bengal tiger, stands as a land of natural wonders. It is a vibrant country of colorful festivals, deep-rooted cultural heritage, and exquisite local cuisine. Bangladesh's economy continues to strengthen, driven by robust performance in exports and remittances. The ready-made garment sector demonstrated remarkable resilience, contributing to a total annual export volume of $50 billion. Meanwhile, wage earners sent a record-breaking $30.32 billion in remittances. Our pulse is digital. Bangladesh is embracing a digital future with remarkable momentum. Internet users 132 million, mobile connections 186.64 million, 57% of mobile users now access 4G services with smartphone. The 8th century monastic universities Sompur, Mahabihar and Paharpur are the testament to a knowledge-driven civilization. This legacy of education fuels our growth. Now, 25 million students fill primary and secondary schools, while 4.8 million scholars thrive in 55 public, 116 private, and 2 international universities. These state-of-the-art institutions, the innovative hubs, offer diverse programs in STEM, humanities, and leadership. World-class institutions spark a tech revolution. The Bangladesh Research and Education Network BDREN connects universities and research institutions across Bangladesh to facilitate advanced academic and research activities. Higher Education Acceleration and Transformation HEAT is a project carrying out essential reform agendas in higher education. Dhaka, the 450-year-old capital crafted by the heritage of Mughal grandeur, has evolved into one of Asia's most dynamic megacities. A blend of the ancient and the urban, Dhaka is now a thriving tech corridor. In January 2026, Dhaka proudly hosts APAN61 at Hotel Le Méridien, offering world-class facilities, exceptional hospitality, and an unforgettable cultural experience. Join us for groundbreaking plenaries with global visionaries, hands-on workshops shaping the future of networking, game-changing tech sessions, gala nights infused with legendary Bengali warmth. Be a part of APAN61. Immerse yourself in the spirit of beautiful Bangladesh.
On behalf of BD RAIN and Higher Education Acceleration and Transformation Project, I warmly invite all APAN community members and other stakeholders to join us at APAN61 in the bustling Dhaka city.
From January 26 to 30, 2026, welcome to APAN61, hosted by BD REN and HEAT Project. Explore South Asia's brightest education network. APAN61 is not just an event. It is a revelation.